कैन आई स्टार्ट ना, शुरू करेगा ना यहाँ से? Okay. So when we say about the human adaptation, the first adaptation what we have done is, just like other animals, we have started hunting and gathering. Other animals also is adapted to this, right? Still they are following, they are hunting for food, they are gathering food. When you abhi plant lega, nahi to animals lega, birds lega, you can see this kind of adaptation. But from there we have started changing. That is the innovation part I have said. Other than the modern technologies, we have gone through multiple innovations. So what we have done is, we have started agriculture and domestication of animals. तो agriculture बोलने से एक जगह पे we have started producing our food. Again the domestication, we तो animals को hunt करने की जरूरी नहीं है. We can use their food, flesh. Again we can use them for agriculture purpose. We can use them for milk or dairy products, to multiple use. And other than that, we can, some animals are, they can protect us from wildlife also, like dogs. So we have started domesticating animals, we have started agriculture. Agriculture shuru hua, so we want to stay at a particular place, so we need shelters. So again our innovations came there. We have started adopting to that particular area. We have made shelters and started settling down. एक जगह पे settle हो गया, तो हमारे लिए घर है, तो we will be escape from rainfall. तो ज्यादा climatic influence इसके ऊपर नहीं होगा. ये सब इसके अंदर आ गया है. Again we have, as we have settled, there is multiple settlements. So we have started a society. Society शुरू किया है. Along with the shelter, settlement, agriculture, we have started clothing as well. ये इसके साथ ही आएगा. So clothing, ये सब innovation. Clothing and shelter, settlement, this can help us to survive in harsh physical conditions. इसके साथ society भी किया है, तो एक साथ मिलके काम कर सकता था. Again, this is a kind of adaptation to a particular environment. We have created our own environment. अभी ज़्यादा forest area था, इसको तो निकाल के we have started agriculture field, we have started settling down. So अपना सा एक environment बना दिया है. Even now it is in an extreme condition, that's other case, but this is the kind of adaptation we have made. तो एक side में वो हो गया. Again, what we are not satisfied with that. We understood the scope of the world is very big. So we have started traveling and transhumans, you know. एक जगह से दूसरे जगह पे जाएगा, उधर they will कुछ तो काम करेगा, उधर से they will move to again other place. ऐसा they have started traveling, they have started ऐसा पूरा देश में they have started spreading. So that is another kind of adaptation, because they have the power. They know they have good clothes. They can make shelters anywhere they go. That is the importance of possibilism. The nature is providing some possibilities, and man has started utilizing it. That is our peculiarity, or that is the thing that make humans a different species. ये सब हो गया है. Again, there was a revolutionary change. Agriculture के बाद we have industrial revolution. तो क्या हो गया? पूरा change हो गया. Technology बढ़ गया है. So that is what we are seeing in modern world. क्या हो गया? Adaptation बिल्कुल जो रास्ते पे जा रहा था वो entirely बाकी सब animals का एक particular area होगा, but human beings have bigger scope. entire world. That is our adaptation. Because of these final two, these innovations made us the adaptive power. So this is the structure how we have evolved. Right now, in future, we don't know. Again, these technological and revolutionary changes may influence, sometimes may not influence. We are not able to predict our future, even with this big high technological setup. So this is the human adaptation and adjustment to the environment so far. Now we can look at the economic activity. So this is the part 2. This is very simple. So I have consolidated this in 2 slides. So economic activity, what is this economic activity? Is an activity of providing raw materials, making, buying and selling of commodities or service by people to meet their day-to-day needs. So economic activity may either we have to produce a good, or either we have to produce it, we have to market or sell it. अभी commodity नहीं है, goods नहीं है, we want to produce services, अपना सा skilled labors. I am educated, so I am providing education. Yeah, someone has some other skill, so he may doing an artist making painting and he is selling it. So he can sell his service, or either he can sell some commodities. That kind of selling, making, buying, selling, everything, this will make man to meet their day-to-day needs. That process is known as the economic activities. So which are the ways which produce these economic activities? There are 3 types of economic activities. Sector bolne se primary sector, secondary sector we will go, but this is not, this is actually the type of economic activities. One is business, second one is professional, third one is employment. So business may, we said, it provides goods and services to satisfy human needs on a daily basis with the aim of earning money. That is business. अभी human consultant है, कुछ industry को ये लोग human को कलेक्ट करके दे रहा है, क्योंकि human means skilled laborers को कलेक्ट करके दे रहा है. So they are providing services. अदर अभी मार्केट में गया तो क्या है, they are collecting some goods, जो भी goods हो, vegetables हो, नहीं है तो fruits हो, नहीं है तो जो भी utensils हो, that we will collect, they will collect and they will sell it. That will satisfy someone else's needs and they will pay for it. That is business. Second one is profession. So I have a skill with me, so I will be occupied. So उधर क्या होगा, occupation or a professional job होगा, that offers specialized service in return to professional charges. If I am providing a class to someone else, I will be paid because I am providing my knowledge. So that is profession. If I am a artist, I am making a movie. So my profession, my occupation is movie actor hoga, and I am acting on that, and I am selling my product, and people will enjoy my acting, and we will pay for that. We will return professional charges usko dega. You have made us laugh, so I am giving. So you made us think, so I am providing you the professional charge. That is called profession. Then employment. So it is a contract between an employee and an employer. I have an institution. Just for example, an educational institution. So there are two kind of stakeholders. One is the students, another one is the teachers. So teachers are the employees there. So employer क्या करेगा? He will pay for the employee. Employee के लिए ये payment देगा for his service to the institution. And what he do? He will collect the payment from the students for the services provided by that institution. Usually it is being provided by कैसे देगा? Employment का तो wages होगा, नहीं तो salary होगा. Profession क्या होगा? Charges होगा. Professional charges देगा. Business का क्या earnings होगा? Profit होगा. So this is how the economic activity is doing. So based on this, we can divide the daily economic activity of the human beings into production, marketing and business, and savings and interest. So this is the economic activities that we are doing day to day. Anyone other than the earning any earning member, we can say any member will do any of these work. जो भी हो, अभी गवर्नमेंट में हो, प्राइवेट में हो, 100% of the people are doing these works. इसमें क्या होगा? First one is production. So what are the factors of production? Land, labor, capital, and organization. So if I am renting a land, if I am renting land only, not only land, it also comes the buildings as well. So land owner हो गया. So I will get a rent. Otherwise, I am a laborer or worker होगा. Employment करेगा. Employee कुछ काम करेगा. So so that is my production. I will get wages and salaries. I will get. So if I am investing on something, investing means as an institution, I want to put some कुछ पैसा उसके ऊपर डालना है. So इसके क्या मिलेगा? I will get interest on that. Then organization, for running an organization, what will be the output? Profit. Maybe economic, mostly अभी कुछ दुकान चलाया है तो उधर प्रोडक्शन का क्या? That is an organization. And what will be the output? उसको तो profit मिलना है. That is business. So that is how the output is divided. Land के लिए rent मिलेगा, labor के लिए wages and service मिलेगा, capital के लिए interest मिलेगा, and organization के लिए profit मिलेगा. So these are the economic activities. Then second level, ये जो produce किया है, you can market it and you can make business on that. So the product which is being produced should be consumed. Consumption is the demand side. ये demand side अच्छा होनी चाहिए. Then only we will get maximum economy. For that we have to market it and we want to do business on that. On the opposite side, क्या होगा? We want to supply goods and services. एक side में जो produce किया है, जो यहाँ से land, labor, capital, organization मिला के जो produce किया है, that is the supply of goods and services. इसको तो किसी को देना है. Who will do it? The market person or the businessman will do that. So they will supply it and there will be opposite side, there will be demand होगा, consumers होगा. So consumption होगा. Market में जो सप्लाई कर रहा है एक साइड में डिमांड होगा वो कलेक्ट करेगा तो इंस्टेड दे विल पे इकोनॉमी. सो दैट इज द सेकंड लेवल. थर्ड लेवल इज द सेविंग्स एंड इन्वेस्टमेंट. दैट इज द अनदर इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी दैट वी विल डू. किसी इसमें हमको कुछ प्रोडक्शन करने के लिए पसंद नहीं है, मार्केटिंग कुछ नहीं है, लेकिन मेरे पास कुछ पैसा है तो क्या करेगा? आई विल इन्वेस्ट इन बैंक. तो बैंक से इंटरेस्ट मिलेगा, हैप्पी. आई विल उसका तो हो गया. नहीं है तो क्या करेगा? किसी जगह पे सेव करेगा जो विदाउट यूजिंग स्पेंड, ये ऊपर वाले जो जो चीज में नहीं यूज किया है, दैट इज आवर सेविंग्स टू द फ्यूचर. So these are the some of the economic activities that we uses. इसमें इतना ज्यादा मेनली ये चीज है, व्हाट आर द इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज बोलने से, ये तीन बोलने से हो गया. दिस विल कम करेक्ट. तो ये हम कंसोलिडेट करके लिखा है. I don't expect any kind of question from this side, but still we can't predict it. So these are some of the reference I have made. You can go through. I have not used any textbooks for the same, because this mostly this is ऐसा नहीं है, एक टेक्स्ट में ऐसा डायरेक्ट नहीं लिखेगा. You want to go through multiple reference. That's it. इसमें कुछ डाउट है इस एरिया पे? इसमें ज्यादा ध्यान देने की जरूरी नहीं है. यस. हाँ,
भी ना रिक्रूटमेंट टेस्ट होगा सुना पहले.
क्या 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 है?
रिक्रूटमेंट टेस्ट होगा सुना.
समझ में मैसेज करेगा क्या?
सर
हाँ
पीडीएफ को शेयर कीजिए ना.
हाँ हाँ, शेयर करेगा. Okay, can we stop for the day?
जी सर, थैंक यू सर.
Okay.